guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we've got the long-awaited unboxing of the Zeeker P10. So let's go ahead and get started. So it comes nice and plastic wrapped. So we'll just pull that off here. Cool. So you can see on the back, Zeeker P10 Pro. It's got a 108 megapixel main camera, a night vision camera. It's drop proof to 1.8 meters. Super steady video. Super excited. So go ahead, take this off, and now you can see what's inside. We have headphones and the Type-C to USB cord, and then another Type-C to USB cord, the Zeeker charger, and then the Zeeker phone itself. So you can see that it's got the protective wrapping on it. And then we've got our Zeeker P10 manual and a little Zeeker emblem. So that's everything that's in the box. And we'll go ahead and just pull this out. So it's a ruggedized phone, which is really cool. And the reason we went with this one was the camera capabilities. So if that's something that you guys want to find out more about, let us know in the comments below and we can make a performance video. But there you go. That is the Zeeker P10. Super excited about this phone. Alright, so here's your close-up. You've got the manual that comes with it, charging cable, headphones, the outlet charger, and then the actual Zeeker P10 phone itself. So you can see that is nice and ruggedized. There's your rear-facing camera. And yeah, super excited about this phone. So that concludes this unboxing. If you would like to know more about the Zeeker P10, please do comment below and let us know what you want to know about it, and perhaps we'll do a review video on it as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.